Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of explanation text in English part 2. How do fish breathe? How do fish breathe? All animals breathe just like humans. How they breathe, however, varies. Breathe by inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide as waste. It flows in through the human's nose or mouth into the lungs where oxygen is transported through the blood to the rest of human body. Humans need air to breathe. So, what does that mean for animals that live in the water? Like humans, fish also needs oxygen and emit carbon dioxide to survive. But using the lungs, these creatures that live in the water use organs called gills. The gills are organs located on the sides of the fish's head. These gills have many small blood vessels called capillaries. When the fish opens, the water will flow from the gills. After that, the blood in the capillaries will pick up oxygen that is soluble in the water. The blood then moves through the fish's body to provide oxygen throughout the body, just like humans. All bony fish also have a bony plate called an operculum. This operculum is useful for opening and closing to protect the gills. Breathing underwater is difficult. The air we breathe has an oxygen concentration of 200,000 parts per million. Whereas water only has a concentration of 4 to 8 parts per million. This means fish need to flow a lot of water over their gills to get the amount of oxygen to survive. In addition, the gills are very useful for extracting the oxygen needed by fish. Breathing becomes more difficult as the oxygen concentration decreases. Low levels of oxygen concentration make it impossible for animals to survive. Although it can occur naturally, it can also be created by human activity. When pollution is high, such as waste dumped into the sea, this will cause algae blooms which then die and decompose. Furthermore, it will cause the zone to have a low oxygen concentration level of oxygen. Fish need clean water to breathe. Similarly, humans need clean air to breathe. Humans can help these gills creatures to thrive by keeping their habitat free of pollutants. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.